Guys, I'm going to do a tutorial on this look today, so I hope you enjoy and just please excuse the hair. First I'm going to comb through my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in with my Inglot Brow Gel number 15 and just line underneath the brows. Okay, as you can see there was a lot of product there, so I'm going to do the same to the top, about 2/3 in, and just shape my eyebrow and then fill in my brush again with very little product, or if any, and slowly draw the line and just very lightly fill in, because we don't want very harsh eyebrows, just big caterpillars there in the middle. Like, I'm not really sure what the name of this is, but I'm using the concealer. It has concealer and illuminator, and it's shade with my concealer brush, very slowly carving out the brow. And after I've carved out the brow, I'm just gonna cover the whole lid. So then I'm gonna pat it dry, blending out the edges as well. I'm going in again with my Carnival palette with Wasted, and I'm just gonna pat down the colour first, and then I'm gonna go very lightly in circular motion and blend it out. Then going in with Chant from the Carnival palette and very lightly just blending out the edges. It doesn't look like it now, but it takes a while to get the build. Otherwise you're just going to have two big harsh lines. That's not what we want at all. Just going to go in with Wasted again and just blend out, just to deepen it. And then I'm going to go very lightly again with Chant and blend it out again. In with Liquor now from the Carnival palette. Just going to pat the edges just to deepen it before I cut the crease. I recently was looking at people and they're using Duraline to cut the crease, which is way easier, because if you make a mistake then it's like you don't actually have to take off the whole eye to redo it again. So this is my eye when it's just cut. I'm going to go in now with my concealer, the same one I used earlier on, and I'm using the same brush, and then I'm just going to pat on the concealer. When I get to here, pat, pull, pat, pull, pat and pull. It's way easier to place it, and if you do slowly it really reduces the risk of going completely off the target. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Going back in with my Liquor again and just blending out the edges. It's also helpful to use your finger as well. It gives a more even blend than what a brush can do sometimes. I'm going to go in with Sky and very lightly blending into the two. Just place it first and then we'll blend with my finger again. Then I'm going back in with my Liquor again to blend out the blue on this side, and if it's handy just keep using your finger. And in with MAC pigment, I think it's Kitschmas, but I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. Just very lightly tapping on my pigment. And don't be afraid to go over the blue as well and blend it out. Okay, I'm going in with my Inglot 77 gel liner and Duraline, drop of Duraline. I actually genuinely hate doing this on camera. So I'm going to very lightly just place it along the lash line, because if you try to drag it, it'll just go all over the place. So very lightly under. That made no sense whatsoever, but you get it. I'm gonna start at the top line and just pat down, pat down. Okay, this isn't working, but I'll keep doing it. It's fab. Oh shit, okay. That did not work. So I decided to finish that off camera, but now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow and just patting it dry, because, well, for me if I open my eyes it won't go up to my top lid, but for some people it does, and there's just like a big black line. It's usually people with a brush that I use at the start, and I'm just gonna draw a triangle underneath my eye and just, well, yeah. Now I'm gonna have a big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna pat all around here and blend out the edges. And keep repeating this until the concealer is set into place and there isn't harsh lines. I'm gonna go back in with lacquer and very lightly underneath the eye. Go back in with some wasted and just slightly under it, blending it out. I'm going in with some Chant and just blending it out again. I'm in now with my Inglass 77 gel eyeliner, and I'm going into my waterline. I think I'm going to do this one off camera again, just. Now that I've placed it, I'm going to go in with my black eyeshadow again and blend it out. I'll go in with Unicorn Dust in the So Sue Me highlighter palette and into my tear duct. Now I'm going to go in with Unicorn Dust again and out here to my bare bone, that's what it's called, and just lightly place it, and then using my finger blending it again. Now going in with my foundation Inglass HD in number 76. It's very dark for me, but I used the wrong foundation in this one, so we might as well just match it anyway. Don't forget to blend it onto your neck and your ears, and I am patting it on. It's done. Just blend your concealer into your foundation, because I don't want to look like a white little panda underneath those eyes. But we also don't want the foundation going up because it's too heavy underneath the eyes. Then going in with my Give Me Sun, and I'm just going to place it first before I blend out, or else it will take off my foundation. And I'm going to do the same as well up near my hairline before I blend it out. So this will give you a bronzed look, hopefully. So see me highlighter palette, and I'm using Candy Crush to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow. I stuck on my eyelashes off screen because I don't know what's wrong with me today. I just can't do anything. They're the Penny's Angel ones. Going in with my Kiko Milano 403 Everlasting Colour Precision Lip Liner. Then I'm going in with my Luna by Lisa Jordan lip gloss in shade Amber.